So this tool just makes it much easier for you when you're working with Marsalis tiles or Marsalis tiles. Not sure how it's pronounced properly, but any tiles that are clay tiles that you need to lift up the tile above to get the tile below out. So what you do is you make yourself a piece of wood, the triangular shape like this, and you get the effect of being able to reduce the torque needed to lift up this tile. And then so you just slip it underneath the tile, and without using much force you can lift the tile above and then take out the required tile. So I'm going to try to position my phone. I don't have a what's it, GoPro would be ideal for this. So let's see if I can do it with so yeah, so you lift it very easily, and you'll end up not getting overused muscles while you are working with clay tiles that need this kind of a lift up when you remove the tile below. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe, and hopefully we can post more videos that will help you. Thank you.